Hello, how's it going? Hope you're alright. Today I've got a box of Goth. I didn't know it was box of Goth. I was all confuddled. Came like this and I was like, ooh, what have I ordered? And I ripped open the tape like an heathen and just did that, and I was like, oh, it's box of Goth. So I stopped opening it because I wanted to, shh, babies are asleep. I wanted to do it with you lot. So I like to share it with you. I'm very excited. I think this is the Forever Halloween one. I can't remember. I ordered this a while ago. It is the October box, I think. And the first thing on the top of the box is this beautiful print. I love. It's going to look at all my. I've got lots of my prints up there. Let me can see them all. Oh, beautiful, beautiful up there. Tripod. So that's the first thing. And then it looks like this. I just thought, I haven't even told you, if you don't know what box of Goth is, you can be like, fuck you unboxing. It's a monthly subscription box with Gothic goodies and alternative goodies and fun stuff, and it's my favourite. I've been buying it for like 4 years now. Yeah, 2017 was when I got my first one, I think. And I just fell in love with it, and I buy them whenever I can. They're between £23 and £25 a month. I have worked with them previously and they have sent me them in PR previously, but this is one that I paid for myself. I do have a discount code which I'll put here or link down below. But yeah, let's just jump in. So this is the Halloween Forever box. And anything I can link, I will link. But the first thing we've got is Bird and Blend Tea. What is this? This is spiced pumpkin pie autumn chai tea. And it tells you how to make a spiced pumpkin pie latte. So you've got a latte there, and then you've got a little Bird and Blend tea there, which is lovely. I'm not sure if I can have it. I'm allowed caffeine. I had my heart surgery like nearly 2 weeks ago, and before that I couldn't have caffeine. I chose not to have caffeine from like 2017. But I suppose I can have caffeine now. Exciting. Okay, the next thing I've got. What are you? What are you? Pumpkin embroidery. Are you a pumpkin embroidery patch? You are. I don't know if you're just pumpkin. So this, I think it's a tea towel. Are you a fucking tea towel? It is a Halloween tea towel. Fuck yeah. Oh my god, I love it. That is so cute. That is so freaking cute. I love that. And I've got the little thing here that's telling me what's in it. Oh, incense cones, Goblin's Lair. Goblin's Lair incense cones. It says, be drawn into the Goblin's Lair with a mischievous combination of earthy cinnamon scents, which are sure to be tempting. That sounds amazing. Where have I just put that bloody chopper later? Oh, they smell really sweet and really nice and cinnamony. They smell amazing. Right, I'm gonna burn one of them tomorrow. You can just live there, ready for tomorrow. We've got a cookie. It's a Wee Bit Wicked. Cake artist and occult bakery. Handcrafted spooky treats and naughty nibbles. Over 18s only. The Wicked Witch at it's a weebitwicked.com. That is so fucking cool. Look at this cookie. Yeah, it's a Wee Bit Wicked cookie. I'll put their Instagram on the screen. That looks amazing. Oh my god, the kids are going to fight over that tomorrow. I've got some Skull Sweets. These are vegan friendly. They look like cola sweets. Let me see. Sour skull sweets. Ugh. Oh my god. Is this a pen? That's hilarious. Are you a pen? You are a pen. Look, it's a pumpkin. It's a pumpkin. Ooh. I don't know why that's amusing me so much. But that's a pen. Pumpkin. Halloween fine tip pen. I love that. Look at him on there. Wah, 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 wah. I'm such a child. Oh my god. Okay, this is the pumpkin embroidery patch. That is beautiful. Look at that. I love that so much. It's so freaking cute. My nails are all Halloweeny this week. Look. These ones are meant to be blood. We got spiders and skulls and spider webs. That is so fucking cute. I have got my, where are you? I don't know where it's gone. I've got a whole bag somewhere just full of patches and stuff from Box of Goth that I need to put onto a coat or a bag. We've got a skull. I've been singing that spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine all fucking day, and I don't know why. Probably got up watching a TikTok. Are you a Christmas decoration? Are you a Christmas decoration? I feel like this is a Christmas decoration, but it's a ghost. I love that. I'm gonna hang that on my light. I've got my let me try and turn you to see. I don't know if you can see this. It's like an evil eye. My friend bought it for me. It's like the most beautiful Christmas decoration ever. I just have it hanging off my light. Got all my creepy stuff there. Come back over here. We've got a little notepad, Halloween notepad. Super cute. Little post-it note ones. We've got some orange confidence spell candles. We've got, what are you? Are you just a ball? Are you just a ball? I think this is just a ball. A pumpkin ball. I'm still fucking singing it. We have something teeny weeny in an orange packet. What are you? What are you? Oh my god! Went all South Park there. Oh my god, look at this. This is so cute. That looks like candy. It's a little teeny tiny necklace with a bat on it. That is so fucking cute. And then we have, this is an acrylic necklace. Oh my god, he's upside down. I love it. Look. So he's a bat, a hanging bat. You can't see him because my top's black. He is super, super cute. I love him. So yeah, that was the, oh, he could be a moustache. That was the box. That was the Forever Halloween box. The next one I need to actually pay for. I need to go on. I messaged Nikki the other day and said I needed to buy a Hocus Pocus box because that is what the next one is. And we've already discussed this previously in videos, but if you don't like Hocus Pocus, we can't be friends. So I need to go and pay for that now. I've just reminded myself. Let me know what you guys think. I am doing a video on all of this at some point. It's just taking me a little while to get everything sorted. I have got some stuff on my Etsy for sale. Just thought I'd do a little plug for you. I have some altar goblets, which are just beautiful little silver plated goblets. And I have some bibbies. I'll link my Etsy down below as well. And then I have all my other stuff on my Etsy as well. But yeah, that was the box. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.